Morning, Blake. Good to see you, brother. All right, guys, let's get into this. So we had a very, very volatile morning yesterday with some random, tweets coming out, some news, just a random volatility morning that I'm hoping we don't have again today. I'll welcome the volatility, but much more controlled, meaning that you don't have 100-point candles one way or the other, every couple minutes. You know, that would lead anybody to take nicotine and having an addiction, which we don't have. But we managed the best that we could yesterday. That's our job as traders. Every day is going to be a little bit different, and our job is to react to whatever the current market situation is. So, you know, if every day was the exact same in the market, then everybody could become billionaires, but it's not. What's up, Meredith? You mean nicotine money, Meredith? Morning, guys. Good to see you all in here. Noah, Josh, good to see you both. Get nicotined up here. We got about the full 15 minutes to go. What I'm going to go ahead and do, guys, is I'm going to take these gray lines from yesterday off. Just because could be a little bit distracting. Well, possibly I'm going to take them off. There we go. Now that's taken care of. It looks like our key level, at least this early in the game. Good morning, Commissioner. Good to see you. This early in the game, the key level is going to be 23-1. So if that holds, I would probably look to go long after the first 15 minutes. But if it doesn't hold, I would use that as my resistance, meaning I'll stay short unless it pops back up above 23-1. Meredith's working her way up to my 12 shots a day. That's a good goal to get to, Meredith. I mean, it keeps you very alert all day long. Nothing really gets by you. You're not going to be lethargic throughout the day. You know, time to time, your heart does beat a little bit fast, but it's a trade-off. Would you rather have your heart beating quickly, or would you rather let stuff get by you? So you got to make that decision. Dude, Sean, I don't know what the purple crowns in chat are. I really have no idea. Whatever it is, Meredith has number one. What a sell-off candle here, guys. That's looking like 23-1 wanted to break. So, it's still too early for me to take a trade. I don't want to really take anything the first 3 minutes after the bell. But this could be interesting. I hope that we get a pretty wide range. Queen Meredith, yeah, that's got a nice ring to it. Queen Meredith. All right. Let me get my Twitter chat up, guys. That way we can have all chats running here. Good morning, Matt. Good to see you here, brother. All right, so are we going to hold 50? Are we going to hold 23.50? and then maybe use that 23-1 as our first target, or I don't know. We got 10 minutes left to let it play itself out. Blake said he got some 9 milligram Alps and regret is setting in. Dude, I'm going to be straight with you. I do not do well on the 9 milligram Alps and Zens. Those send me into a spiral. So 6s are good. You know, after market is over, I'll like a good 6. Get the buzz going a little bit better, but 9, no thank you. Not for me, man. Yeah, 6 is the sweet spot. It really is. I think during trading hours, 3 is where I like to be because it doesn't really, you don't really feel the buzz that much, so to say, but the benefits are still there. Like, you know, you get the benefits of the 3s without realizing that you're buzzing. After, you know, the market's over, if you have a nice green day, you celebrate with a 6 because then you can start feeling the buzz a little bit. You know, your mood goes up, energy's great, you're just having a great time. 9s, you just, you know, it's kind of like that thing, man, that, okay. You guys know that I've had my run-in with the law before, so I'm going to phrase my next statement very, very carefully. I'm not saying that I've ever tried marijuana in my life. I'm not going on record saying that. However, if someone has tried marijuana and that feeling of regret sets in, that, you know, after you take your first couple of hits, you're like, oh my God, never again, this was a big mistake. That's the equivalent feeling to a 9 milligram Zen, in my opinion. Again, not saying I've ever tried it. But yeah, 6 is the sweet spot. Morning, Phil Pot. Good to see you, brother. All right, we got about 5 minutes left, guys. And then we can get going with this. Morning, Monty. I'm going to put a starter long on, and I'm going to put my stop down here under this body candle. And it might hit me immediately. I'm keeping a tight stop. Looked like we were breaking back into the 90s there, and we might go grab 23-1. That's kind of what I was thinking. And it could still happen, so we'll see. Give this a little bit more of a buffer right there. Just a tiny bit. So like I said, about 5 more minutes and the open range is fully defined. This is just a preemptive starter. I took it on the potential break back into the 90s to go grab 23-1. We might get it here, guys. See if we can start breaking up a little bit here. Okay, move this back up here. So now my risk is essentially nothing. Trying to get into these 90s and go grab 23-1. 23-1 test. So I'll put this right here. Slightly in the profit, worst case scenario. All right, there's 23-1. Pull it up a little bit. Okay. Tagged in the profit right there. That's fine with me. I trailed that nice and tight toward the end there. Just because I was looking for a quick break of 23-1. The open range is not fully defined yet. So that was just a little warm-up scalp for me right there. Paid off for us. So there's $200 to start the morning with. And that's what we're going to do today. We're going to put base hits on the board, lock in the profit while it's there, good, safe, disciplined trading, and we're going to put ourselves up on a nice day. So, you guys see that, on regular market days, like, we're all business, very base hit oriented, risk management. On battle days, you guys, it's just all good fun. On battle days, we swing for the fences. It's not really normal style of trading. But I talked with Steve. We are going to limit those battle days to, like, I believe once a month now. Just for the reason being that, I do know a lot of you guys rely on this stream every day to maybe, like, not copy it to a T, but using it as some sort of a guide to, each trade that you're taking. And if that's the case, I do need to have some responsibility that I can't start going wild even once a week if, some of you guys are relying on this. So for those reasons, we're going to do battle days once a month, and then every other day will be very much like today, very risk management on, base hit oriented. All right, so it looks like I can go ahead and put in our bottom range. There we go. Hold on. Okay, so there's our open range low in. Open range high is to be determined, but I think it's going to be somewhere right around here. Oh, we're going to have Steve on. Yeah, Steve's going to come on every week. It's just we're going to probably be on the same team when he comes on. Yeah, we're not getting rid of Steve. Don't worry about that. Morning, Chris. Good to see you, brother. All right, I'm taking a starter long right here, guys. Open range. We're trying to break out of it up here. So it's going to be about right here. See if we can go grab the 30s. You guys have heard me talk about these 30s a lot. They're very tricky. Morning, Barash. All right, we're on the same side right now, Barash. See if we can get this proper break at the open range high here. Can we go break 30? Let's go. There's 30. I want to see if it can extend a little bit before I start putting my stop on. Put a take profit up here, 45.
Shawty, come and tell me where you at now. Tell me where you. We can link, but I can get a text. Yeah, I ain't coming back. I just wanna feel it now. You get to it back. Yeah, fucking. Whoa. Damn, I know I'm moving too fast. Keeping them with me, you gon' crash. Don't crash. Yeah. What I'm gonna do? What you wanna do? Hey, I just wanna feel something, but I won't.
Maybe it can come down a little bit for me and I can put a second contract in. I wouldn't be opposed to that. But I have my take profit up here in case it, pops real quickly. And if I can clear this wick right here, then I'll put a stop in the profit. We're trying. Let's break that 30 again, guys. If we can break 30 again, I think we can go do it. Try to, but with the money I don't. Life ain't easy when you going fast. Gotta look around, make sure you don't crash. It's a little bit better with you. Yeah, it's a little bit better when we're together. It's true. We're trying. Tapping 30 right here. Here we go. Put this in the profit right here at the open range. See if it can extend all the way up for us. And back at the wick here at my stop now. Decent little trade so far. We're making money guaranteed on it here. Just going to keep trailing this up as it goes closer to my take profit. Can we break 40s? All right, Tagged in the profit right there. I'll take it. There's an okay little scalp. Like I said, just another little base hit on the board.
Life ain't easy, better go slow. I try to, but with the money I don't. Life ain't easy when you going fast. Gotta look around, make sure
Maybe my profit stop was a little bit tight right there, but I locked in money.
it's a little bit better.
And I'm going to see how this reacts, and I can get back in if anything.
In the older days, I used to wonder how the cash come. Nowadays, me and my homies run the back up. But those are days I learned how to let the back
All right, there's an entry for me to get back in.
I'm thinking right now, yeah, I'm living right now. We're thinking right now, yeah, let's get it right now. Life ain't easy. I'm on the way right now.
See if we can go bust highs up here. We're trying.
Taking 90 to the face. Last car, I can't leave it out of taste. Nah.
We might go bust 50, guys.
3 a.m., but she acting like it ain't. Say what go round. Come right back.
Put it right there, right at 50.
We act like they never did. Right on time when she said she got another friend. That's fine, just as long as she don't tell a man. I told her Uber in the PM to the B&B. Wake up in the morning off the Malibu, baby. Gotta worry about tomorrow, it's just you and me. So you ain't got a plan, we ain't laying for you saying that. See me on the way like hopping.
All right, more profit right there. So that's got me at 425 on the day. Just scalping my way, guys. Like I said, we were going to do. We were crushing this morning. Yeah, and there would have been the full 50 hit. It is what it is. Let's see how we react at this 150 level here. Either we're going to push pretty decently above it, or this could be a reject, and I want to kind of find out. Only 20 minutes in, guys. We're crushing. Tapping Hive Day right there. See if I can get a little bit of a pullback off of this.
Order filled.
Put one in right here.
Tell me what's a soulmate for if they don't stay for the highs and lows, the times you know you ain't been the
Just looking to go pop above these highs right here, guys, is what I'm looking to do.
suppose it's heavenly how you go through hell with me. When it gets cold, I'll never leave, 'cause you know my heart is evergreen. When it gets cold, I'll never leave, 'cause you know my heart is evergreen. When it gets cold, I'll never leave, 'cause you know my heart
Clear the highs, and I'll put a stop in the profit.
might be a wife, she a Pisces, drinking tight tea, and when I see her, baby, I'm a sightseer. More than just one night stand like IKEA. This shit might last a little bit longer. You got a pass, I got a pass, I could put it beyond you. You got got some ass, thanking God that he put shit on you. We grow together, getting stronger, this shit evergreen. Evergreen, evergreen, evergreen. When it gets cold, I'll never leave, 'cause you know my heart.
Okay. Stop right in the profit right here if it goes against me. Keep pulling that up some. So I'm making a little bit of money. All right, there we go. Add a little bit more to the profit on the day. So there's 500 that I'm up. So now, to go long, we would need to break these previous highs over here. To go short, I would need to clear this open range low, or sorry, open range high level back down here. Oh, nice, Phil Pot, with that trade. He just completed his eval. That's incredible, man. Congrats. It's amazing. We're getting people paid here, guys. Getting people paid. Four minutes until 9 a.m. Central. See if anything comes out. I'm going to try another one to the long side here, thinking that we're going to break these 50s. Put a stop loss right here under those wicks. It's about a 10-point stop on for me. See if we can go break these highs here, guys. We're trying to pop it. We are trying to pop it, guys. About 40 seconds until that next 5-minute candle comes out. We'll see if anything happens off of that. Put one more on here. If we break 50, I really want to be in it for the 50 break.
Whether I'm right or whether I'm wrong, baby, stick with me. Whether my money long or there's nothing at all, would you stick with me? It's nobody like you, and know if I'm true, girl, it just hit me.
Let's go.
Stick with me, baby, stick with me, baby, stick.
Put this into profit now. Okay. Tagged in the profit right there, so I'm up 600. 50 is being a little bit stubborn, so I'm going to sit the 50s out and see what we do here. We're putting together a pretty nice morning, guys. I'm up 600 on each account, just trucking along.
Baby, stay with me, baby, stay with me, baby, stay.
Let's see what we can make happen here. Kind of getting back up here into price discovery mode, guys.
It's a good day for a good day. Sending big love in a big way, yeah. It's a good day for a motherfucking good day. Yeah. Okay, a little bit of Tina, margarita, in a beach chair with my feet up, yeah. It's a good day for a motherfucking good day.
This is going to extend a little bit more. I might start a starter short in it, but I want a little bit more of an extension. Kind of want to go clear 75, and then maybe I'll do a starter short if we can clear 75. Alright, I'm going to go long right here again, thinking that we're going to go clear 75. Get a quick pop, and then take this scalp out. But I'm going to put my stop down here, these wicks.
There's red lights on boulevards and stop signs on highways. There's desert sands and oceans.
Can we go take out those wicks? Stop right here. Very tight stop, so I'll lose $100 if it goes against me. Just trying to play this momentum a little bit here. we're trying. We're touching those wicks. See if we can push a little bit higher here. My stop's very, very tight, so I'll lose $70 if it doesn't work. I'll take that kind of risk every day. Can we pop it here? Remember, guys, I'm just playing this momentum, but we are getting extended, so I'm protecting myself very tight up here. You know, I didn't add on a pullback. I'm playing the momentum, so I have to protect myself. Okay, getting tagged for a $70 hit right there. Still green 500. I'll let this thing give me a better setup. Might be coming right here. Yeah, I'm gonna try it again, guys. This is a lot of buying momentum on the morning, so I'm gonna stick with it. Put my stop down here in this, so a little bit wider of a stop this time. And if we can come down closer to that structure, then maybe I'll get a second contract in. There we go. Just want to go break these highs here. Move this up to that wick now. There we go, like such. Take one of those off, lock it in a little bit. Move that into the profit as well. So this will be a guaranteed profitable trade. Just looking to clear these highs here. It's been flirting with it for a little bit now. Move that more in the profit. Move it some more in the profit here, like such. Let's keep doing the thing. Not bad, guys, not bad. Now I'm just going to see how high the thing can extend. Looks like it's tagging me right there. All right, so I'm up 800 on the morning. I'm not doing anything profound or mind-blowing. I'm just doing base hits over and over again, getting ourselves to a nice day. Someone in the Twitter chat said, you took a long at high. They were telling me that I should sell it. I disagree. You know, my trading style is I go with the momentum. I go with whatever the buying pressure is doing. So I like to be going with the trend. You know, if it's continuously going up, 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 my brain tells me that, okay, well, why not just keep playing it up, up, up? If it does reverse, whatever, I have a tight stop in place. But in my opinion, you know, always trying to short the top. You never know when the top's going to come. That becomes dangerous. You know, and I trade a lot off of momentum. So whatever direction we're going, I tend to go that way too. I feel like a lot of traders are like programmed to be afraid to buy if something's pretty extended. But with, you know, ES or NQ guys trading NASDAQ or the S&P, it really does stick to a direction when it wants to go that direction. So, you know, it takes a little bit of time to kind of get that fear out of your mindset that like it's going to reverse, which it very well could, but I feel like there's more money to be made just going with the direction that it's going. Just my opinion. I mean, sometimes you will get reversed on, you know. You're not going to win every trade doing it that way, but have a tight stop to protect you in those cases. Now, if we can come back down in this structure here and break under it, I might be looking for a short. I'll try a starter short side to try to break 50 here. There we go. Stopping the profit now. See if I can drag it down with me as we can extend. All right, a little bit more profit for me right there. Just scalping it up, guys. See how we do with that 50 here. Take one more starter short right here, and I'll put my stop right back above here. So I'm risking $185 here. And if it does start breaking above this, then that would be a hold of 50, and we'll probably want to go get more highs. Can we break this red candle to the downside here? That's what we're hoping for right now. Pull my stop down, so I'm only risking $100. These 50s are going to be the key, guys. Either we can break under the 50s or they're going to hold. But they're going to tell the story for what way we're going to go. Let's break down a little bit more. Come on. Okay, so I have basically a break-even stop of $40 right now. There we go, stopping the profit now. A little bit more. Okay, tagged in the profit right there, so I'm at 920 on the morning. These 50s are still trying to determine themselves out. So just little scalps over and over, guys. And it might go grab that gray line, it really could. But, you know, locking in profit, you'll never be disappointed. I'm going to try again here, looking like 50's weak. Looking to go touch this gray line, guys. Come on, let's do the thing. So I'm risking $95 here. Basically break-even trade. Can we go grab that gray line? Move this right in to break even at this point. So now, no risk at all on this trade. Come on. Moving this into the profit now. Almost at gray line. Let's see if we can do it. There we go. Let's just keep moving it down. See if I can bust this gray line here.
Order filled.
All right, tagging the profit, that's okay. So that puts me over $1,000 on each account so far. So we'll just keep stacking it up like we've been doing, guys. What's this playlist? So it's on Spotify. I'm on White Dress Radio. The song White Dress is by this artist I love. His name is Mike. Pretty cool vibey guy, but it's called White Dress Radio. Pretty decent little scalp there, guys. We touched our gray line. Technically that could have been a profit target, but I chose to just keep trailing the stop with me in case it wanted to really bust into that gray line. So I'm cool with collecting that little cash right there. We're coming back up to that 150 magnet. Let's see if it can reclaim it or if it keeps going under it.
This is what forever sounds like. This is what forever feels like. Yeah, you gotta do whatever feels right. That's all I do. Yeah, yeah. When I close my eyes,
I'll put another one in short, thinking that we can go and break under this gray line here. There we go. That's what we're looking for, guys. That's the one that we're looking for right here. I'm going to keep trying to trail this down with me. Stop in the profit for 150 guaranteed. There we go. So now we're up 1,200 on the morning. Yeah, I captured, I used the 2-minute and the 5-minute. So the 2-minute is on screen, and then I have the 5-minute on another chart as well. Can we go on down? There we go. Just keep locking it in, guys. Take another short one right here, thinking that we are going to hold under this open range high. Stop right here. Just hoping that we can keep bleeding is what I'm looking to do.
Try to fix it all my life. The last few weeks have slowed me down and I know I'll try to move on. Time to be the last one standing. No, it's in my deck, but I'll manage. Every step I seem to leave empty-handed. Oh, my heart's in Colorado. I'm deep in Tennessee. Just me and empty bottles lying at my feet. But my heart's in Colorado.
We might get tagged on this one. We'll see. It's all going to come down. Okay, yeah, I'm getting tagged right there. Potentially holding that open range low or high. We'll see. Not convinced though. I'm really not. Try one more to the short side here. Would like to come back down, properly bust under this gray line. See how we do at 50 here, guys. I'm just not convinced that we don't come back down and bust under this gray line. So, looking for a potential ad spot to get another one in this.
At the shower, we going in and we be at it for hours. Ain't no excuses when I'm loving on you.
I'm gonna wait these next 2 minutes and then see how we're looking around 150 here. If I can snap down hard off of 150, I might add into this. Go ahead and put a stop right here above this previous high up here. And if that tags me, then we're going long. Not saying that I'm going to pop in long immediately, just that the chart is going long. Put one right there. Can we fail 50? That's what the question is.
Girl, you got me way too high. Took too much, but I'll be fine. 'Cause I don't mind tripping on you.
It's trying to fail 50. We need a proper fail and not hold it here.
Summertime, like you got my shoes untied, but I don't mind tripping on you. No, I don't mind tripping on you. Ooh, don't be like that. Ooh, why you gotta leave like that? Goddamn, I'ma be right there. Tell me what you think at night. You lost your love, but you still got mine. I'll find it wherever it's hiding. And we can stay out all damn night, chasing love and wasting time. I'll find it wherever it's hiding. I'll find it wherever it's hiding.
Can we fail 50 here, guys?
You've been on my mind since I met ya. Ay, even if I tried, I can't forget ya. When I get you out them hills, Cinderella, I'ma put you in a ring like a wrestler, yeah. Ooh, don't be like that. Ooh, why you gotta leave like that? Goddamn, I'ma be right there. Tell me what you think at night. You lost your love, but you still
All right. Tagged out right there, guys. So it does, for the time being, look like we want to hold the open range high. Held the 150s, reclaim those. Would imagine that we're going to go for new highs here. Let's see. Put one in here to try to go get those new highs. Can we go capture them? Got to stop in the profit here. Nice and tight. Because it does get risky when you're buying near high day up here. It could snap back on you, so I'm protected in case that happens. But at the same time, I will go for it. Move it up a little bit. Can we do it? It's trying. Keep trailing this up with me here, guys. Get all of this back here. Take one off right there. There we go. Okay. No issue there, so I'm back to right at 1,000 on the day. Was trying for the shorts down there. Looked like a valid setup. It just wanted to hold the open range high. Fine. We saw that we weren't going to go short. Took our small hit. Flipped to the long side on the momentum and made it back. No problem. don't think we're done going higher though.
Order filled.
Put one back in here. I would be shocked if that's all that we're going to go.
You know, maybe it was meant to be that way.
She talking cursive and she talking cursive and yeah. She talking cursive and not talking drum. Let's talk in person and not in the dark. Yeah, not in the dark.
Start trailing this up with me here.
I walk in a room with myself. You like a whole different person. You gotta do it yourself. Baby, you know that I'm working. I walk in a room with myself. Rolling deep like a dove. You like a whole different person. I walk in a room with myself. You like a
Just want to get another extension here, guys. Up here in price discovery.
You like a whole different person. Yeah. I didn't like how it felt. Blowing it loud. Baby, she like how it smell. She took 'em out. But I didn't like how it felt. I'm in the club like a dove. Rolling deeper than hell. I put the pussy to rest. She a little neat freak. I got it stuck in her head. Playing on repeat. Repeat. P Street. She wanna lick up on P Street. Beep beep. Repeat. Pull up on me, ain't no beep beep. You like a whole different.
Order filled.
Okay.
You like a whole different person. You like a whole different. You like a. You like a whole different person. I walk in the room with myself. I walk in the room with myself. I like that. I like that.
Want to see if we can break 75. I think it's going to, but I'm also not giving it much room to work against me here. If we fail 75 properly, then I don't know. We could come back and test that open range high level again. It just looks to me like we want to keep trending up today, but I'm going to be smart and wait for better confirmation. We'll try it again right here. For some reason, 75 is just speaking to me. Stop in the profit right here. That way I don't lose any money no matter what. Okay. Tagged in the profit right there. I'm probably going to go ahead and end it here, guys, just because I do think that we are going to keep going higher. I really believe that, but we could be entering in some chop areas. So instead of, just getting chopped on little small base hit, well, small in the profit stops, I'm going to give myself a minute maybe get another coffee, let this thing develop itself out, and then come back and do it again. But good job, everybody, today. It sounds like everybody did pretty well this morning. We're up really good on each account, 840. We were up a little bit more at our highs, gave small profits back, but it's okay. We're still on a very nice day. So I'll see you guys in a bit.